Writing is number one underrated skill in the tech world, and specifically for data analysts and AI people. I have landed, projects. I have landed freelance work and interview calls, and all because of blogs also. Like initially, I was only doing Medium blogs and my own Google blogs. So everyone is learning Excel, everyone is learning SQL and Power BI, but very few can actually explain what they are doing. Like if you can't explain something, so there was a famous quote that if you can't explain it to someone, you haven't learned it well enough. So that's where writing sets you apart. Like you're actually writing to a lot of people. So what I write and how it actually works. So I'll explain you in that. So I do a breakdown of real projects like from SQL, TV and dashboard, walk through all of that. I write all about it, and whatever lessons that I've learned till now from freelancing and all those work, I'll also write about that. So my experiences. And then what are the curious mistakes that I've done and what actually worked for me, those things. And tools that actually help me, like Power BI, Notion, ChatGPT, or any kind of AI tool or anything that has helped me. And where particular post that I will be posting is Medium for portfolio and traffic, and then LinkedIn for engagement and, trust building. You can say personal brand building that is there. And then X for authority building. So what this actually got me, like why I am doing writing. Like I initially started as a documentation, but then I'm getting paid writing gigs, dashboard projects with founders, like telling their story, then mentorship clients, and then YouTube grew the newsletter subscribers, of course. So if you want to know how I write and monetize, so I've made a particular package for you guys so that you can buy it and learn. So it's writing for analyst or anyone in the data field or AI field. So if you buy it, you will learn how to structure a blog post and use a project to generate content, and then turn your writing into a trust engine that actually attracts. So I just show you what I've learned for 2-3 days so that you can have a social proof, you can say. And if you're serious about freelancing or building your authority as a data analyst or anyone in any data field or AI field, you have to start writing. You have to document things in a written way because it helps you. I'll I'll help you do it right, and check out the link in description that is there, and it will turn your writing into revenue. Because why not? And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.